Welcome to how to perform a recrystallization experiment. Once you have gathered all of your equipment, we'll begin to start. Start by heating 100 ml of water to boil using a 250 ml beaker. We then place ionized water and 1 boiling chip into a 250 ml conical flask and heat that to boil. Once that is done, you'll add 1 gram of impure benzoic acid and record the exact mass to 10 ml of boiling water and swirl gently to assist dissolution. If the benzoic acid does not completely dissolve after stirring or swirling the flask, add boiling water in small amounts until it's completely dissolved. Remove the hot solution from the heat source. Warning: this next step must not be performed while the benzoic acid solution is over the heat. Add a few spatula ends, about 1 level teaspoon, no more, of decolorizing charcoal to your dissolved benzoic acid solution, and place the whole glassware arrangement on the hot plate. There should be enough water in the conical flask to warm the whole apparatus, but not more than 1 to 2 ml in the bottom of the flask at any time. You will then filter the hot benzoic acid solution into the second hot flask. Keep the second flask over the heat source while doing this. If the benzoic acid crystallizes while filtering, wash the crystals with a small amount of boiling water. Once the flask is cooled to room temperature, you may then place it in the ice bath. Once the crystallization appears to be complete,
if required, rinse out the conical flask with deionized water and then pour back through the Buchner funnel.
I wish I was in the western country, sitting in a big armchair, one arm round my whiskey barrel, the other round my dear.
Take care when removing filter paper out of the Buchner funnel. Place the crystals to dry on a watch glass in the oven. Damn, look at those crystals! In this step, the purity and melting